Hi children, good afternoon everyone. So this is the class 5 science worksheet 1 as we have completed the textual information and textual exercises, and so today we are going to complete the worksheet 1 of lesson number 3, that is food and health. So children, what is the first one? Tick the correct options that are healthy. Playing outdoors, obviously you have to play outdoors, okay. Or watching TV. No, please stop watching TV at the home also children. It's not compulsory, but you obviously you are habituated and addicted to the watching TV, but at least you can decrease it. My small request, okay. Then drinking tap water or drinking filtered water. Yes, obviously drinking filtered water. Sipping lemonade, sipping an aerated drink. An aerated drink means which is carbonated water like Pepsi or Coca-Cola or Sprite. So please try to decrease in your food and try to sip the lemonade, which gives us a lot of vitamin C and they keeps us hydrated more. Okay, eating an ice cream or eating a cup of curd. Obviously eating a cup of curd. Even though you are feeling very happy to eat an ice cream, but in the actual way the curd is keeps the body cool, okay, for ourselves. But ice cream obviously it is meant to be a what you call as this one, junk food. So please avoid it. Taking precaution against diseases or taking medicines when you ill. Obviously children, you have to take the medicines when you are ill, but most important is taking the precautions against diseases, because prevention is the only cure, okay. Eating burger or pizza, eating green vegetables and fruits. Eating green vegetables and fruits, that is very important and that gives us immunity more, okay. Write whether the following diseases are communicable or non-communicable, okay. Typhoid, obviously this is communicable. You just write along with me children. Communicable. Okay. Malaria, obviously communicable. Okay, next arthritis, communicable. Next tuberculosis, yes, communicable. Oh. So these are all the communicable diseases. Please write down children, these are communicable. And this one is non-communicable. The goiter is non-communicable. Please write down. Anemia is also a non-communicable. 3 is non-communicable. Then 3. Arthritis is also a non-communicable. Please write down here. Non-communicable. Dengue, obviously communicable. Scurvy, obviously non-communicable because it is due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Night blindness, obviously non-communicable, deficiency of vitamin A. Please write down children, and you can write it, right? Yes. Please write down. Third one is non-communicable, arthritis. Remaining all, in this one remaining all communicable. In this one all are non-communicable except dengue. Okay, here circle the odd one out in each. Proteins, vitamins, minerals, muscles. So muscles are the parts of the body, but proteins, vitamins and minerals you can find in the fruits and vegetables. Spinach, apple, amla, ghee. So spinach, apple, amla, these are the what you call as plant products, but ghee is the animal product. Carrot, pumpkin, papaya, rice. So carrot, pumpkin and papaya are the fruits and vegetables, but rice are the grains. calcium, wheat, iron, iodine. Iodine, iron and calcium are the minerals and they are micronutrients which are very essential to us. Okay. So, this is the wheat. Wheat is the grains. Okay children, now see the question and answers. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is one which has a right amount of all nutrients. A balanced diet is one which has right amount of all nutrients. You can write it children please. Yes. Okay. See the next one. How is malaria caused? Malaria is caused by a protozoan. What is this children? Protozoan, which is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. Okay. When this mosquito bites a person, the protozoa are injected into the person's blood, causing malaria. Just I will keep the phone like this in a horizontal position. You can write children. You can clearly find out what you can write. Yes, just pause the video and you can write children. Sorry, my fingers are shown. Okay, for third one children, please pause the video and you can write. You can easily write it down. Okay. Third one, what is pulse polio? Pulse polio is an immunization campaign, CAMPAIGN, campaign established by the government. Established means ESTABLISH. Established means what's situated, because they have constructed, okay, by the government of India in 1994 to eradicate eradicate polio by vaccinating all children under the age of 5. Okay, you can just I'm just keeping this one so that you can write totally children. See what is the balanced diet also, you can totally you can write it very clearly, it is seen. So you are able to write. Pulse polio is an immunization campaign established, you can see here children, established, ESTABLISHED, by the government, GOVERNMENT of India in 1994 to eradicate polio by vaccinating and all children under the age of 5. So you can write here children, and you can just pause the video and you can write children. Okay. Yes, I hope you have just pausing the video and you are writing. If at all it is not showing, just I'm just keeping the phone so that you can write. One word you can see and one word you can write children. Okay. And if you are finding any doubts in this lesson, please ask me without hesitation. Okay children, take care children, bye.